the other day I explained what is sound. Sound is different from noise. Sound is, something which comes out more real and which comes out from your practice is sound. Noise is something more objective, something, which will bother you, The noise is more objective being. The sound is both objective and subjective. So, if you hit drum, the sound you make is, sound of your own subjective practice. And it is also the sound which encourages, all of us. So, sound is subjective and objective. Buddhists understand every noise as a sound which we make. You may say the bird is singing there, over there. But we think, bird. When we hear the bird is me, already. Actually, I am not listening to bird. Bird is here, in my mind already. And I am singing with bird. Pee, pee, pee. If you think, when you are reading something, if you think bird is there, blue jay is over my roof. Blue jay is singing, but their voice is not so good. When you think in that way, that is noise. When you are not disturbed by the blue jay, the blue jay will come right into your heart, and you will be a blue jay, and blue jay will reading something. Then the blue jay doesn't disturb your reading because you think blue jay is there. Blue jays should not be over my roof. When you think in that way, that is more primitive understanding of being. Why we understand things in that way is because of want of practice. When you practice that more, you can accept things as your own, whatever it is.